Are you ready to truly experience your entertainment, not just watch it? If your home theater feels stuck in the past, get ready to meet the future. Today, we're diving deep into the Denon AVR-S760H, the 2021 model that's not just an upgrade. It's a revelation for your senses. This isn't just another receiver. It's the heart of your next-generation home theater. The Denon AVR-S760H is a formidable 7.2-channel AVR, delivering a robust 75 watts per channel, ready to transform your living room into an immersive cinema. What truly sets it apart is its 8K readiness and support for the latest 3D audio formats. Imagine cinematic soundscapes enveloping you from every direction, even without complex ceiling speaker setups. Thanks to Dolby Atmos height virtualization and DTS Virtual X, this AVR creates a stunning, multi-dimensional audio experience that will have you feeling like you're right in the middle of the action. It's about future-proofing your entertainment, ensuring you're ready for whatever incredible content comes next, all while enjoying breathtaking sound today. But it's not just about sound. The visuals are equally stunning. The advanced HDMI video section with 8K upscaling is nothing short of brilliant. With 3 dedicated 8K inputs, you're guaranteed pristine 8K per 60 Hz or 4K per 120 Hz video pass-through. Every single HDMI input supports 4:4:4 pure color subsampling, HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG. What does that mean for you? It means incredibly vibrant colors, dazzling brightness, and unparalleled clarity that will make your favorite movies and shows leap off the screen. You'll see details you never noticed before, transforming every viewing into a cinematic event right in your own home. And for the gamers out there, prepare for an unfair advantage. The Denon AVR-S760H delivers a seamless, lag-free gaming experience that will blow you away. Features like variable refresh rate, VRR, quick frame transport, QFT, and auto low latency mode, ELLM, work in harmony to virtually eliminate lag, stuttering, and frame tearing. Imagine buttery smooth graphics, instantaneous responses, and incredibly sharp visuals paired with high-resolution sound effects that immerse you deeper into the game than ever before. This isn't just about playing games, it's about living them. Beyond the incredible audio and video, convenience is king with the AVR-S760H. With built-in HEOS multi-room technology, you can extend the reach of your music to any room in the house via Wi-Fi, AirPlay, or Bluetooth. No extra hardware, no complicated setup, just seamless, high-fidelity sound from Pandora, Spotify, TuneIn, and more, all around your home. And for ultimate hands-free control, it offers full voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa and other major voice agents. Adjust the volume, change tracks, or switch inputs without lifting a finger. It's the ultimate in smart home integration, making your entertainment experience truly effortless. The Denon AVR-S760H isn't just an AVR. It's an investment in unparalleled home entertainment. It brings cutting-edge technology, incredible sound, stunning visuals, and ultimate convenience together in one powerful package. If you're serious about upgrading your audio-visual experience, this is the one. Don't just dream about the ultimate home theater. Make it a reality. Find the link to purchase the Denon AVR-S760H and revolutionize your entertainment today, right down in the description below. Go ahead, treat yourself to the future of sound and vision.